Be fast now. There is no time, please. It can't be. Never. I beg. What will they pack her for here now? Emma, me. How you go take pack her for here when you know somebody packed here and that person will definitely go out? There's no space here again too now. There's no space. Who did your pack there now? Who packed here?
Hey, hello, bros. Okay, well done. You dey okay? I see you say you dey shy. Is everything okay?
Please, Mr. Man, look at my car. Somebody parked here. How insane would I move out from this place?
That's the eyesore. That's not good now. I go block person like this. For early morning, and you are going to it.
I have an appointment.
Yes.
Oh, you can't block you like say they block your glory. Are you going to Mela block party? Okay, you know what? Just enter your car. Enter. No worry, God go block the person block us. Enter. I go direct you. Why that make you dey use your ear? The ear wetin I talk. Oh yeah. Go all right.
Are you playing? What type of playing is
Come back, small. Okay. Oh yeah, go front. Turn out to left. No. Okay, sorry, right. Oh yeah, go wa. Go wa. Oh yeah, go adjust front. Very good. Oh yeah, come back, go wa.
What's going on here?
You never see
a lot is going on.
You this young man, what's wrong with you? You've been shouting, Kowa. Do you want to put me in trouble now? I've hit somebody's car.
So you dey shout for me? Me where I help you, they shout for your good Samaritan, shout for your helper.
We just pray.
Now why people wey dey help people with this?
okay?
Since I see where weather start getting, I know say your brain na 10 megabytes. Hello. Hey, Siri.
Young man.
It is not well with my soul. It is not well with my soul.
Baby, what is it now? You've been shouting.
Babe, is this useless guy? He's shouting, Kowa is the one that led me to move my car. Now I've used my car to hit somebody's car.
Hello, beautiful.
Shaggi!
Babe, do you know him?
Yes.
This is Shaggi, my ex-boyfriend.
Exico, exercise book.
Who jam up on my Oga moto?
Oga na me.
Jesus.
Lala.
Something way bad for this shoe.